In this video, I'm going to show you my live trading session from last Friday. So this would have been March 8th. Now, I started a Telegram group, I think it was about a month ago now, where I give out free trading signals. So you should definitely go to the link in the description if you're not a part of that group yet, so that you can get free signals from me. Like I said, it doesn't cost you anything. And we've been having some really good days recently. Now, just last week, we had a few news events later in the week. So Wednesday through Friday, there was major news events. On Wednesday and Thursday, Jerome Powell from the Federal Reserve was testifying in front of Congress. Now on Friday, we had non-farm payroll numbers come out and also unemployment numbers. So these news events are going to be highly volatile times to trade. And a lot of times people get wrecked during these times because the market is so volatile that if you don't have a really large stop loss, you're going to get stopped out pretty quickly. Now you may get lucky and enter a trade. Let's say you buy right away and it just shoots straight up and then you sell right away. There's a chance that could happen, but you also could lose a big chunk of money, and then you're going to have to deal with potentially a lot of slippage as well, because if they're not able to get the order at the point where you want the order or at the point where you want to exit the order, you're going to have some slippage and you may end up losing a significant amount of money. And there's a lot of people that are searching how to trade the news. And so for years, I've been trying to figure out what's the best way to trade this, because it being highly volatile, if you know how to trade it right, you can make a lot of money off of these moves. So I actually came across a strategy called the Rule of 4. Now I made a video explaining exactly how to trade the Rule of 4. I got this from a professional trader who used to actually trade for JP Morgan. His name's Tom Hugard. You can check out his channel in the description below. But essentially what you're doing is you're waiting 40 minutes after a news event. You're going to bracket that candle. You're going to put a buy stop above it and a sell stop below it. So whatever direction it goes to the next candle after that fourth 10-minute candle, that's where you're going to put your buy, or that's where you're going to place your sell. Now the best pairs and indices that I like to trade with this strategy are German 40, US30, also known as Dow Jones, and NASDAQ 100. Those are the three main things that I like to trade this with. Now I also got a gold trade in based off a signal from the Compass Algo indicator. That's how we started this trading session. But then there's actually 4 more trades that followed the Rule of 4, and you'll see how profitable this strategy can be. I'm actually going to go through the whole trading session, and I'm going to show you how I was able to make an incredible amount of money in just one trading session on Friday. Now, if you're a part of my Telegram signals group, you were a part of this and were able to place the trades in time to make money as well. If you weren't, don't miss out any longer. Make sure to go to the description, get involved. I'm going to take you in right now and show you exactly what trades I took, why I took them, and I'm going to explain to you the strategy. Let's dive in right now. Okay, so this trade was the first one that we took. You can see here we got an alert that went off. It was a kangaroo tail, a bearish signal here. So we set a sell stop off the kangaroo tail, underneath the kangaroo tail. So you can see we're up about 50 points there, about $2,000, and we decide to close that trade. Now we're into our next trade here. Now this was based off the Rule of 4 strategy. I will have a video right up here in the corner that will show you how to execute this strategy. But yeah, we had a buy stop and a sell stop on NASDAQ 100 and US30. Now at this point we had a NASDAQ sell that was triggered because it did go under the fourth 10-minute candle after the news event. So we also noticed that this was a double top in trading view. So I had that indicator on. We could see that this was a big double top on the 10-minute on NASDAQ. We also are looking at the 10-minute on Dow Jones or US30. There's also a kangaroo tail on the 10-minute as well. And I know I'm going through this kind of quick. There are tutorials on how to use the indicator. If you purchase it, there is a full description and video on how to trade kangaroo tails. But right now we're in the sell. Now we're starting to go into profit here. You can see those big wicks at the top. And this also is going to trigger our other US30 sell. And we're looking at NASDAQ right now, but US30 is also doing a similar movement. Let's speed it up here a little bit. So we're both in sells. These are both based on the Rule of 4 strategy. See, it's really dropping there. It's going back and forth, kind of keeping an eye on it, seeing what's happening. Obviously looking very bearish right now. Closes nicely right there, that first candle. And my goal here is to get another red candle and then close the trade somewhere around the moving average. So you can see the 2 moving average lines right there. You can see we get a nice drop there. It's coming up on the moving average. At this point I'm going, all right, we're up about $6,000-$7,000. Yep, let's close it. So we close about 25 points in profit on NASDAQ and about 50 points in profit on US30. Now, those signals were sent out in the Telegram group. I can show you those here. Now, we still have the buy stop orders open. Here's me reacting.
Look at that exit.
I mean, just look at how it just shot up as soon as it hit that moving average. So really glad we took that when we did.
Wow.
Now the buy stops are still open. Buy orders triggered on US30. I'm hoping for it to push through those highs. There it goes. About 7-8 points in profit. 10 points. Sometimes you'll see these new highs and then it'll immediately reverse. So I wanted to get what I could out of that quickly, get in and out, just a scalp trade. Okay, I told everyone to close the trade. I closed it there, about 17 points in profit or so. It just shot up right after that.
Oh, look at that.
Probably could have held it longer, but hey, it is what it is. We get another opportunity here though. You can see my reaction live time. NASDAQ buy triggered. And I'm hoping it's going to do the same thing that US30 just did. Now, if you guys haven't used this, this is a Sway Charts platform, Sway Charts Pro desktop platform. Man, it's crazy how many features this thing has and how much you can do and how customizable it is. But I've really been enjoying trading on it. Okay, we're up over 20 points now. Look at that. I mean, can it get any better than that? Just letting this run a little bit more. Up over 40 points now. There we go. We closed the order. And that makes us 5 for 5. And we made over 139 points off those 4 trades right there. On top of the gold trade at the beginning of the session. So that was a live trading session, guys. And that, my friends, is how simple this strategy can be. This is how you can make money during these highly volatile news events with the rule of 4. If you're looking for the best broker to use to trade these strategies, go to the link in the description. It's called topratedbroker.com. You can check out my favorite broker. If you're looking for a consistently profitable, high win rate indicator, go to compassalgo.com. The link will also be in the description below. I hope you got some value out of that and got some value out of seeing an actual live trading session from someone who knows how to make money in the markets. You're going to want to check this one out as well if you want to see my other strategies that are working. If you haven't yet, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Talk to you guys on the other side.